things that can cause people trouble is when they have some sort of a warrant or summons to come to court, and for whatever reason, they don't show up. The worst thing that a person can do at that point is just to forget about it and hope it goes away. It's very possible that if you don't show up in court, something called a failure to appear or a show cause or a bench warrant can be issued, which can actually call for an individual's arrest on a charge that otherwise may have just resulted in a fine or something that was very minor. These are issues that need to be dealt with very quickly. The key is to make sure that the proper explanation and the proper paperwork is filed with the court to do a couple of things. The first is to quash any warrant that might be out there so that the police aren't continuing to look for the person and the possibility of arrest is eliminated. And the second thing is to get a date where the case can be resolved. Just because someone doesn't show up in court the first time doesn't mean that that will necessarily be held against them when they go to court to conclude the case at a later time. We try to separate those two issues out. The first is to quash the warrant and to remove the requirement of being in court. And the second then is to deal with the case as if the warrant had never occurred in the first place. We find that that's the best way to reach the best possible result for our clients.